Okay, and welcome back to the Swedish wilderness where I will be going on a little solo adventure with you guys. Yeah, and I'm just gonna enjoy myself, camping a little bit, enjoying the nice scenery. There's some interesting geological history happening in this place, and I will tell you more about it too. So, yeah, just follow along for the journey and sit back, relax, grab a coffee or tea, and yeah. Well, I'm quite glad I now got my stick with me because the terrain here is way more rough than in Belgium. So yeah, always bring a good stick with you. I also quickly wanted to talk about solo hiking or going on solo camping trips. Well, I think you have the most fun with friends or with family to go solo camping, but going on a solo trip yourself is also very meaningful. Like, it's some other experience. Until you have tried it yourself, you can't really comprehend or to know what it really is. And the last few times I've done this is been quite nice in a certain way. Like, it's definitely a little bit more boring and a bit more slow, if you say so, but yeah, it has something. I can't really put my finger on it. Like, your thoughts are your own, you have time of your own, you can do whatever you want. And yeah, so if you think the same or you have something to say about it, so please let me know in the comments. What do you think about like solo camping and solo hiking and stuff like that? So yeah. I am now standing at the ocean floor of 8,000 years ago, but there's a simple explanation for it, or it's not that simple, but I'll tell you more about it. Now, the special thing about this place is that at one point all of this used to be coastline, but for that, why this happened, I have to go back 10,000 years ago. Well, 10,000 years ago, when the ice sheets kind of retreated, this place was under enormous pressure of the ice sheets, and it's sort of like a rebounding now, rebouncing now, and it's literally rising from the sea, and it still is. So there's been settlements found from thousands of years ago that used to be near the coast and that are now high up in the mountains. So I find that very interesting. So, and this place in particularly used to be a coastline as well, and I'm still a couple of meters, like hundreds of meters above sea level, like the place where I'm gonna camp now. Ow, 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 ow. This is, ow. This is literally the worst. If you're not wearing barefoot shoes, I really miss them. I'm getting blisters all over. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, oh shit, man. Almost twisted my ankle. Okay, I finally arrived at the real coastline this time, and this is where I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna put up my tent because there's a lot of mosquitoes, so no tarp camping this evening. And I think I might go for a swim. I even got this private beach going on. So yeah, and this bench is standing there. But first, let's put up a tent. I forgot how small this tent was. There's almost no space for my backpack. Like literally, like maybe here. It's quite a large backpack, so. Well, here we go. How bad can it be, right? That was actually quite refreshing. Cold, but refreshing. I feel reborn. Okay, I'm all dry now. Now it's time to cook some food. And guess what I'm gonna make? Yep, Korean noodles. The best way to end the day of today. So, yeah. But for that, we need to make a fire first. And there was another problem I saw, and it wouldn't be me if I didn't buy sparkling water instead of, yeah, just normal water. So, not sure if I'm gonna be able to cook with it. Let's see how this tastes with sparkling water. See, this is what exactly made me fall in love with Sweden, or yeah, like the Nordics in general. You can just do this, make a fire, be by the beach, completely on your own. I'm gonna get cancelled now, so no. yeah, it's just so fascinating to me. Well, I think I'm just gonna go to sleep. This is as dark as it gets, and it's already quite late, so yeah. And I'm also just a bit bored because there's no internet here or any connection, and I know what you're typing now in the comments, but I didn't really bring something to read with me or, yeah, like some stuff to do at space camp, so yeah, makes me quite bored and I'm getting tired anyway, so had a heavy day hiking and I'm gonna go to sleep now, so see you in the morning. Good morning. Except I didn't sleep that well. I actually slept like shit because the sun was up all night and the birds were not stopping chirping. So, I, yeah, got a couple of hours in, but yeah. So, this is really the end of my camping trip, I'd say. Like, now I have to return back to the car and it's another day's walk. Um, Around the same we did yesterday. But unless there's something happening, this will be the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed watching it and leave a comment down below if you liked it or want to see more of this. And yeah, see you in the next one.